Welcome back, guys. We are still on CSS background. How you can add colors and images on the background of your web page. Now, in a previous tutorial, we saw how we can add colors. We can add colors as background colors to our web pages, and we also saw a little about how we can add images on the background. You can use image as a background image for on a web page. Now we stopped here actually. Now you saw this image here. Now you saw this image. Now by default, now when you try to use an image on the background of a web page, now the image is gonna repeat all over the screen, all over the web page. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you example of how you can avoid repeating of these images all over the screen. Okay, now there's how we can repeat an image horizontally or vertically, so we are going to check that out in a jiffy. Okay, now let's check that out. Now by adding this property background repeat, sorry, we are supposed to close this, terminate that. Background image and background repeat, repeat x. Now it's gonna repeat horizontally, repeat x horizontally. That's x. Okay, only horizontally. So if we change that to repeat y, it's gonna repeat vertically, just like that. Okay, now that's just how you can restrict repetition of images. Okay, so if you don't want to use repeat, if you don't want the image to just repeat, or to you just want to have just a single portion of that image, now all you have to do is repeat background repeat, you change repeats, no repeat, actually no repeat, just as simple as that. So the image is gonna show only at the point, now just where it's supposed to start, the normal flow of web page, how things are arranged in the web page. Okay, now as you can see, the background image is shown in the same place as the text, just how text are displayed. Now this is how you can change the position of image so that it doesn't disturb the text too much when you have text on the other side of the screen, or if you want to keep an image in a particular place. Okay, now there's just a way you can also do this. Maybe you want to bring the image here or anywhere in the screen, probably the right top or the left top. Okay, let's check that out. Okay, now we can add this to maybe background position. Now this background position, you can just say right top, right top, it's gonna be displayed on the right. Okay, just like that. And let me just say, check this out. I've never checked it anyway. Right bottom, let me say bottom. Sometimes it can just happen like that. I've never used it anyway like that. It shifted right bottom. Wow. Let me say left bottom. Wow, just like that. It's really crazy anyway. Alright, that's just it. There's always a shorthand property you can use with your background. Okay, now we are gonna really check that out in a moment. You're gonna check that out in a moment, and let's see how we can check that out. Now it's just like this. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, let's remove some. Okay, let me remove this. I'm using no repeat. Okay, now the shorthand is just where you can just, without mentioning all the properties, you can just write them. You can just write background. You specify the color, f sorry, ff 6f, and you can just say url. This is just a shorthand way of writing everything. URL dot image slash image 4. Okay, and the next thing will be no repeats, or if you want to use no repeats, and right top. Now what it does is, now the background of the website actually is going to be white. The background of the page is going to be white. Then the background image is going to be there, and it will not be repeated to it's not going to be repeated all over the screen, and it's going to be located, the image is going to be located at the right top of the screen. Okay, now let's check that out. Something is fucking wrong. Okay, let me remove this first. Let me remove this. Wow. Okay, dot jpg, sorry, I forgot to add dot jpg. That's a file extension of the image. Okay, you've seen that. Okay, right top. Let me use left and see. Left top. Okay, you've seen that. That's just cool. So now, for example, let's change the main background color to, let's say, what color is this? We're gonna find out. Oh, yellow. Okay, you've seen that. Okay. Right, that's just how it works. Now we can see, when using the shorthand property, the order of the property value is just the first thing you, when using the background property, sorry, when using the shorthand property, the order for the property values is the first thing you are supposed to um, define is the color, the background color, then the image follows, then the background repeat follows, background attachment, and background position. Did I show you guys what background attachment is? I don't think I did. Wow, that's crazy, man. Background attachment is used to position the image so that it's gonna be fixed, it's not moved, no matter what you have on the screen of the system, the computer, no matter what you have. Okay, for example, if we have, where can I get a lot of data? Wow, I'm supposed to copy something somewhere so as to really show you guys how this works. Let me see if I can. Okay, let me try something. This is the, okay, let me do this. Okay. Oh, you see, this is scrolling, right? This is scrolling. Now, if we add back attachment here, if we add the attachment property, background attachment to fix, now the image is not gonna attachment. Let's just say fix. You see that? Just as simple as that. So how you're gonna do that? If you want to write it normally, so you can just do it like this. Okay, let me. Background image. Okay, let's see that if it's gonna show. Okay, now background repeat, no repeat. Okay, now attachment, background attachment fixed. That's just how it's defined. Okay, all right, now let's look at this. The image position is fixed. Okay, that means you cannot scroll it with the contents. That's how it works. Okay, we've seen the background colors, background attachment, background image, background position, and background repeat. All right, take your time and work them out, check them out, and you'll see you're gonna be the best. Okay, you're gonna, when you take time to work on yourself, you see you're gonna be happy with the result you're gonna get, because you're gonna be experiencing new things, and you're gonna also be perfect to what you already know. Okay, all right, now please like and subscribe to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.